Hi, it's Paulette, your Maryland legacy attorney. So many businesses have not been formed because people just don't know how to get started. So I am here to share some information with you to help you get started. First, if you want to start a business, you have to determine the name that you want to use and to determine whether or not that name is available. So you need to do a name search. Second, you need to choose your business structure. There are several types of business structures that you can choose from. You can have a sole proprietorship, a partnership or a limited liability partnership, a corporation or a limited liability corporation company. So you need to determine which one you would want to choose because it makes a difference when you're filing your registration with the State Department of Assessments and Taxation. And so that leads me to the next step, which is to actually file and register your business with SDAT, as we call it, or the State Department of Assessments and Taxation. So when you register your business and you select the structure, it will determine what documents you will file. Some are actually registering the business and some would be getting an actual ID for your company. So it really does make a difference which structure you choose. In addition, if your company actually would have tax accounts because you're paying employees or you're selling, you have a sales tax that your company would have, then you might have to file and register with the controller's office. So that's a determination that you have to make based on the nature of your business. After you register your business, then you need an EIN number, an employee identification number from the Internal Revenue Service, that's IRS. That is free. So you can just jump onto their website and find a link that says obtain an EIN, and it can be downloaded to you immediately. Thereafter, you definitely want to determine, do I have any trademark or copyright issues, and do I need to file an application for that? And once you make that determination, then you can definitely go ahead and file those relevant documents to secure your trademarks and your copyrights. After that, you want to open a company bank account. You want to make sure that you have an operating account, a checking account, or how many ever accounts you may need. You want to establish that with your bank account, with your respective bank, and to obtain the appropriate bank accounts. Then you want to establish your corporate record because at this point you've now amassed many important documents, and those documents need to be contained and retained in a safe place that you can access whenever you need to. So establish your company record, your corporate record book, by including all of your startup documents and your information concerning your bank accounts, as well as depending on whether or not you established a corporation and you have stock shares that you've given out, your bylaws, your operating agreements, all of those important documents, your meeting minutes, if you have annual meeting minutes, startup minutes that you need to include in there. So all of those things will be included in your corporate book. And then you want to establish good relationships. That's like a final point, but so important. You need to have a cadre of folks that you can go to that will help you with maintaining your compliance and maintaining your taxes and maintaining your finances. So you need to have a good accountant, you need to have a good financial advisor, and you definitely need to have a good attorney. And that's where I come in. If I can help you with any of those steps to assist you in starting your business and following and pursuing your dream, don't hesitate to contact me. Thank you.